In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use watchlist segments feature in GoCharting. Watchlist segments help you organize symbols into neat, labeled groups so you can focus faster and keep related markets together. Let's set it up from scratch. Start by opening Go. Charting in your browser. On the homepage, look for the products option in the top navigation and click it. From the list that opens, choose Charts. This takes you into the trading terminal where we'll manage the watch list. Once you're inside the terminal, open the watch list by clicking the watch list icon. It typically looks like a small list panel on the edge of the screen. With the watch list visible, hover over any symbol you already have saved, then right-click it. That right-click opens a context menu with actions related to organization. From that menu, select Add Segment. A new segment header appears in your watch list. Segments act like dividers, letting you separate symbols into logical buckets so scanning becomes effortless. To give the segment a clear name, click the small edit icon on the segment title. Type the name you want, something descriptive that reflects how you trade or monitor markets, and make sure it's short enough to read at a glance. When you're happy with it, click the check icon to save the name. You'll see the updated title immediately, which makes your list easier to navigate. Now that the segment exists, you can rearrange it. Click and hold the segment header and drag it up or down to place it exactly where you want within the watch list. This quick drag and drop action helps you prioritize the groups you use most often, keeping the important ones at the top. Next, open the watch list's three-dot menu. This menu gives you control over what you want to add to the watch list, so choose the items that support your workflow. It's a convenient way to build out your list without leaving the chart. And if you ever change your mind about a segment, removing it is just as simple. Click the small X on the right side of the segment header to delete that segment. Keep in mind that deleting is a tidy up action, so use it when a group is no longer relevant. That's it. You've learned how to access charts, open the watch list, create a segment, rename it, reorder it, customize what you add, and delete a segment when needed. With segments set up, your GoCharting watch list becomes cleaner, faster, and easier to use every trading session.